Back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing this police car. If you guys are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. I do a lot of content and I do a lot of unboxing videos. So if you guys are new, please subscribe and welcome to my YouTube channel. So here we have a Ford, and it's a cop car. It's like black and white. It has really good boxing, like it's good. It's like plastic, and then it says a bunch of this police and all that. Let's see. Oh, it opens. Okay. Here it is. So we have the light bar, black, and the light bar is blue and red. Black and white, 911 right there. And then it says police. Let me zoom in. Let's see. Come on. So it says police right there. And then the front, the other side, and here's the back. And here's the bottom where there's an engine, some gas, and oh yeah, here's the gas where you put in the gas. Some tires, and they're rubber tires, and then little wheels, and then like lights in the front, and then a push bar. That's pretty cool. You have a push bar, and right there it says Ford. And then 911 on this side, both sides. Interior, it looks like it's just two chairs, and then no computer, but a like steering wheel. The back's tinted, like there's a bunch of tinted windows. You can't even see inside. And it's clear in the front, so you can see inside. But that's really it for it. And there's a little like antenna right here. But if you guys like our video, please subscribe, share, like, comment. Goodbye, guys.